Good morning, children. In today's class, we will do division of fractions. To do division in fractions, the first thing we do is to find the reciprocal of the divisor. As we know that the number which is to be divided is the dividend, and the number by which the other number is being divided is the divisor. So always for this divisor, we have to find the reciprocal. After finding the reciprocal of the divisor, we multiply that reciprocal in the given fraction. So let's start the solution. Three upon 8 and reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Now what we have to do is change this division sign to multiplication, because we have to multiply the reciprocal in the fraction. So just like normal multiplication, we will multiply the numerators. 3 into 1, 3 upon 8 into 2, 16. So 3 upon 16 is the final answer. Next question is 2 whole 1 by 2 divided by 1 whole 4 by 5. So firstly we will convert both of these mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 upon 2 divided by 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9. 9 upon 5. Again we will write the first fraction, that is 5 by 2, as it is, and find the reciprocal of 9 by 5. So reciprocal of 9 by 5 will be 5 upon 9, and then convert this division sign into multiplication. Multiply the numerators. 5 into 5, 25, upon denominators 2 into 9, 18. As you can see, this fraction is an improper fraction. So what we will do, we will convert it in mixed fraction. So 1 whole 7 upon 18. This is the answer. Next question is 5 upon 6 divided by 2 upon 3. So write 5 by 6 as it is and find the reciprocal of 2 upon 3, which will be equals to 3 upon 2. Now put multiplication sign between both the fractions. You can see that here 3 and 6 both are divisible by 3. So cut them. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now multiply the numerators. 5 into 1, 5, upon 2 into 2, 4. It is an improper fraction, so we will convert it in mixed fraction. It will give us 1 whole 1 upon 4. Next question is 4 whole 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 4. So firstly we will convert this fraction into improper fraction. 3 into 4, 12, plus 1, 13. So 13 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 4. Now we have to find the reciprocal of this fraction, 3 upon 4. So 13 upon 3, and reciprocal will be 4 upon 3. Put multiplication sign in between. As we can see, there is no common factor in any of the number. So we will directly multiply the numerators and the denominators. 13 into 4 is equals to 52, upon 3 into 3 is equals to 9. So again it is an improper fraction. So what we have to do is we have to find the mixed fraction for this. That will be 5 whole 7 upon 9. Next question is 4 whole 2 upon 3 divided by 2. Here firstly we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 upon 3 divided by 2. Now we have to find the reciprocal of this 2. So 14 upon 3 and reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Put multiplication sign in between. As you can see, 14 and 2 both have a common factor, that is 2. They both are divisible by 2. So eliminate it. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. Now multiply the numbers left in numerators and denominators. 7 into 1, 7 upon 3 into 1, 3. Convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. It will be equals to 2 whole 1 upon 3. The next question is 5 whole 4 upon 5 divided by 3 upon 5. So it will be 5 5s are 25 plus 4, 29 upon 5 divided by 3 upon 5. Now write the reciprocal of 3 upon 5. So 29 upon 5 and its reciprocal will be 5 upon 3. Put multiplication sign. You can see a common factor, that is 5 and 5. Cut them. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Now in numerator 29 is left and in denominator 3 is left. Convert this improper fraction in mixed fraction. So it will be 9 whole 2 upon 3.